pagiging totoo sa sarili ang itinuturing na susi ng isang trans non-binary graduate sa nakamit na tagumpay bilang summa cum laude. At nakaranas man ng diskriminasyon, hindi ito humadlang na makamit niya ang matamis na success!
My name is Renel Victor Prism A. Cruz, humbled and honored to be the first ever summa cum laude in the history of BPSU Main.
Yan ang loud and proud valedictory speech ng trans-binary at AB in Communication Arts graduate major in New Media na si Renel Victor Cruz o Prism kung tawagin ng mga kaibigan. Ang kauna-unahang summa cum laude ng Bataan Peninsula State University Main Campus. Sinalubong siya ng palakpakan, fit for her queerness, na naging lakas para harapin ang hamon ng buhay bilang miyembro ng LGBTQIA+ community.
So yes, my superpower is my queerness, and I had it all along. My queerness taught me to live in a world that wasn't built for me and still find joy. It gave me the courage to take up space, even when the world told me to tone it down. It taught me empathy. When you've been judged for simply existing, you learn to never judge others and be kind.
Nitong college lang daw talaga naging totoo sa sarili si Prism at sa first year college pa lang, binigyan na ng pagsubok.
When they were taking my picture for my school ID, a guy told me na bakit daw long hair ako, dapat daw short hair, dapat daw hindi ako nagsusuot ng earrings, etc. But I didn't agree to that. I made a promise to myself that I'm going to be who I am. And tinry ko siyang ipaglaban. That's actually the first baby steps that I made during college to get out of my comfort zone.
Pinaglaban hanggang sa makuwang kagustuhan magsuot ng uniform na pambabae at ng mahabang buhok. Ipinagpapasalamat niya raw ito sa kanyang eskwelahan.
Naging butterfly effect siya na nagiging mas confident ako sa klase. I get to really answer our recitations very well. Mas ginaganahan akong pumasok. As na-excite ako for my classes. And it helped me shine.
Ang diskriminasyon, unti-unti na rin daw nawala dahil sa kanyang naaabot. Ang respeto at pagkilala, hindi raw dapat ipinagkakait. Ano man ang estado sa buhay, ano man ang kasarian.
My queerness is not a weakness. It's not a flaw. It is my strength. It is my power. And I stand here today as a living proof that with the queerness, with the gayness inside of me, I shine so bright because I am who I am and no one can take it away from me. Andito ako dahil bakla ako.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Nico Wahe, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.